See the unseen bacteria turning waste into power in the Gambia. Across the country, food and farm waste piles up. Post-harvest losses erode incomes. Slaughter waste strains towns. Electricity is scarce, imports are costly, and landfills leak methane. Fortis Invicta proposes an integrated circular economy campus, a connected loop of modules where inputs become outputs and nothing is wasted. Modular refinery, Halal abattoir, dehydration hub, anaerobic digestion, valorisation, one site, one data trail, local value added. The refinery upgrades use cooking oil and approved feedstocks into renewable blend stocks. Quality control and compliance built-in fuels for local fleets and regional markets. Halal abattoir, humane, certified processing with full cold chain, by-products captured. Fruit and vegetable dehydration, solar-assisted drying for shelf-stable, export-ready packs. Organic residues are collected and routed to digesters. Anaerobic digesters make biogas and biomethane. CHP provides heat and power. Generators power the campus. Surplus can support the grid. Digestate returns to fields as biofertilizer, boosting yields. Training and skilled jobs for women and youth, lower emissions and safer water reuse, and reliable logistics for exports. Partner with us, municipalities and impact investors. Fortis Invicta, the Gambia. Visit fortisinvicta.com.